30 years ago, a small company started with 3 people, aiming to make printed, semi-finished products for the world of goldsmithing and jewelry. It was a long path, and we've come far since then. We started with just printing, and today we're back to making finished jewelry for the world's most important maison. Our vocation has always been to grow. We've continually invested, and everything this company has generated in the last 30 years has been reinvested in it. From printing, we've gone on to make our primary semi-finished products, like sheets, cables and tubes, as they guarantee that if the thread counts are precious metals, they are adequate, and if they aren't precious, they have all the technical features pursuant to law. Our products are all made at Arezzo. That's one of our pièces de résistance. In 2016, we obtained the qualification for our products' tracking numbers. Made in Italy is one of our missions. Carrying it on is hard work, but one of our main objectives. We're now working with about 60 internal experts and maybe 150, 180 external ones. We do believe in our territory. Today, our company produces a bit of everything for the world of semi-finished products. Let's say a company that produces jewels can come to us and find broken down jewels from A to Z. In fact, our products range from conjured up items to technical ones. So we make any type of earring, from latches to baubles, chains, let's say anything involving broken down jewels. We've mainly invested in what the market didn't have. So we made specific machinery and also bought old machinery from the early 1900s to create, for example, textiles our market no longer offered. Maybe vintage, which is back in fashion now. We also invested in laser machines, so we can make objects from morning to night and create collections. We've purchased CNC lathes, so we can make products of high quality and geometric shapes with no tolerance but precision for the most demanding markets. We've inserted rapid production machinery into the company, so our internal designers make the 3D prototype from the drawing and then we melt it directly. So a whole series of, let's say, latest generation machinery, making us very competitive on the levels of product quality, timing and execution. Really, all this machinery, all this technology, all this thinking to the future also makes us think to the past. That's why we inserted professionalism, experience more from the past and the future, into the company. Because a jewel is never industrial, but ultimately always made by hand. It's built by machines and technology, but it's always a man's hand that defines it, so it can be worn by a woman, girl, lady, man, to be elegant and sporty. A man makes it complete and gives it life. Defining a jewel well always requires great craftsmanship experience and tradition. This is how we can make products for wide distribution. Well-manufactured, cheap items until we reach a point of working with refined designers all over the world. We make exclusive products and also unique items where we set gems, diamonds and precious stones. Thanks to our experience, we best interpret customer needs. There are clients coming with very precise, detailed designs and plans, so we execute and create the object, be it a jewel, an accessory. It's developed and we give it our technical contribution, so it can be sold on the market. There are clients coming with an idea which we can interpret and turn into a product. This is quite a strong point for us. Experience, knowledge from serving and meeting many people, many designers, giving us the ability to best interpret the customer's requests. For a semi-finished product, there are also two paths here. One is our vast set of samples. There are over 60,000 items made over our 30-year history. They're all made from prints, mechanisms and files. They are all unrepeatable, and our customers come to select and insert our items directly into their collection. Our more demanding clients can also request exclusive products, and we can make them via the various working techniques we are able to perform. From print creation to planning and making by CNC lathes, let's say we can meet any customer need in our sector. The topic of confidentiality is very important for our work. Designs, ideas and products are sold. So for us, it's essential to keep the objects we make and who we make them for hidden and secret. If we're still here, it's mainly thanks to our historic clients who have trusted us for over 30 years. The requests have been challenges for us. We've invested, we've grown, we've invented new production processes, we've inserted special skills into the company precisely to seek our customers' satisfaction. Our nicest products will certainly be those we'll make now and in the coming 30 years. Strengthened by our experience and with the great passion driving us to continue this work. Besides, for us, this work is the best in the world. We'll create marvelous jewels.